Feel the fire, feel the love. One love, one peace. Let the walls of hate release. One love, one peace. Let the fighting finally cease. One love, one peace. The stars don't ask where you're from or your name. The moon sees us all and it loves just the same. The wind carries whispers of hope through the trees. One heart, one song, blowing soft on the breeze. Raise your voice, let the spirit fly. We are the same under every sky. One love, one peace. Let the walls of hate release. One love, one peace. Let the fighting finally cease. One love, one peace. One love, one peace. Let the walls of hate release. One love, one peace. Let the fighting finally cease. One love, one peace. Yeah. Oh, morning breaks the sky with gold. Yesterday's worries left untold. I hear the wind, it calls my name. Whispers of hope, they fan the flame. Blessings over me, I feel them fall. One by one, I count them all. Through the trials, through the fight, blessings over me, pure as light. Oh, roots run deep where rivers flow. Every season seed we plant will grow. The rain may come, the storms may howl, but faith will bloom beneath the cowl. Oh Jah, guide my feet, my way. Hold me close, don't let me stray. Yeah. Oh Jah, This life will last, it finds a way. Evergreen roots, they never die. Reach for the ground, reach for the sky. Evergreen roots, holding tight through the dark, through the light. The wind, it whispers ancient song. It tells me where I do belong. The soil remembers every name. The rain will fall, it feeds the flame. Oh, they twist, oh, they turn. They hold the lessons we must learn. Evergreen roots, they never die. Reach dust, the wind it cries. 1,000 dreams behind my eyes. Oh Zion, Zion, I hear your name. Through the fire, through the rain. Zion, Zion, you're my flame. Calling me again.
The hills they whisper tales of gold, of ancient rivers, stories told. But it's not jewels I seek to find, it's a home that's buried in my mind.
The drums they beat a distant sound. Every step brings sacred ground. Oh Zion, Zion, I hear your name. Through the fire, through the rain. Zion, Zion, you're my flame. Calling me again. Under the moon, the stars align. I feel the pull, the great design. Every stone and every tree sings the song that sets me free. Oh Zion, Zion, I hear your name. Through the fire, through the rain. Zion, Zion, you're my flame. Calling me again. Oh Zion, Zion, I hear your name. Through the fire, through the rain. Zion, Zion, you're my flame. Calling me again. Whoa, 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 whoa. The drum beats heavy, the ground does shake. A lion's roaring every step I take. Through the jungle of the mind I stray, but truth keeps calling, clears the way. Walk the lion's path, walk it strong. Feet to the rhythm, heart to the song. Walk the lion's path, don't turn back. Strengthen your spirit, keep on track. Walk the lion's path. Walk the lion's path. Walk the lion's path. Strengthen your spirit, keep on track. Walk the lion's path. The fire burns, but it won't consume. The righteous heart will always bloom. Through the shadows where the cowards hide, the lion's courage is my guide. Forward, forward, hear the call. No chains can hold us, we rise tall. strong. Feet to the rhythm, heart to the song. Walk the lion's path, don't turn back. Strengthen your spirit, keep on track. Hey, what about the lion's path? What about the lion's path? What about the lion's path? Strengthen your spirit, keep on track. Roots run deep like rivers flow. Through the struggle we will grow. No fear, no doubt, no step is small. The lion's path is for us all. Whoa, whoa.